Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure the PhoneLink app is installed and signed into the same Microsoft account. On Windows 11, open Start, choose Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices to locate PhoneLink. Once there, click PhoneLink to view paired phones. If you don't see it, check notifications and actions for the app or open the PhoneLink app directly. Make sure to note which device is connected so you unlink the correct phone on the next step. Now you'll remove the connection. In the PhoneLink page, select the phone listed and choose Remove Device or Unlink from the context options. Confirm when Windows asks if you want to stop syncing messages, notifications, and storage access. On the phone end, open the companion app and sign out or disconnect to ensure the link is fully severed. Once done, restart the PhoneLink app on PC so settings refresh, and verify the device no longer appears in the paired devices list. To finish, restart both your PC and phone so any cached connections clear and confirm the phone is gone from Settings Bluetooth and Devices PhoneLink. If you still see the device, go to Account, Microsoft, com/devices and remove the phone from your Microsoft account. If unlinking fails, clear the PhoneLink app cache or uninstall and reinstall the app on Windows. Make sure to reboot between attempts. If problems persist, check that both devices run.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.